dol-16 is a robust sensor for measuring light intensity. The sensor has two 0 to 10 volt analog outputs with a very low output resistance and full protection against short circuits and wiring failures. dol-16 is available in two variants, one with a cable and one with M12 connector cable. The sensor has two color LED lights to communicate the operation status and error diagnostic. For optimum mounting of the sensor, use mounting clip. Mount the sensor in front of an inlet in the direction of the fresh air jet to ensure the sensor is free from dust. In dusty environments, the sensor should be placed in a position which allows for easy cleaning at regular intervals. In houses with wall inlets, place the sensor close to one of the inlets that opens first. In tunnel houses, the sensor must be placed minimum 20 meters away from the end of the tunnel opening to avoid light from outside influencing the sensor. To see data from our sensors, connect them to a farm controller. Sensors from dol-sensors fit all farm controllers or can be adjusted. Please follow all of the instructions in the technical user guide, which is found on www.dol-sensors.com. Learn more at www.dol-sensors.com.